Hey guys, welcome back to the Cooking with Jack show. Yep, he's still recovering, but he's almost there. Thank goodness. Anyway, we are going to go today with the Keto Cranberry Bliss bars that you get at Starbucks during Christmas time. Even though they're amazing and I love them, I didn't have maybe one this year and that was it because they're just not healthy. So Jack and I were looking to see what we could find, and we actually found one that's keto, and we can actually, hopefully it'll taste good. So come on in and let me show you what the ingredients are and we'll get it started. Okay, so what we have here is some salted butter, some Swerve granulated sugar, confection sugar, fresh cranberries, molasses, salt, vanilla extract, baking powder, 2 eggs, this golden flaxseed meal, I don't know about that, but we'll figure it out, almond flour, coconut flour, Philly cream cheese, then we have the lemon extract, the orange extract, and ground ginger. Okay, so first we need to grease our pan and set the oven to 350 while we get everything together. First you gotta cream the butter. 6 teaspoons of butter and your sweetener. Okay, so now that my butter is creamed, I gotta put in the molasses. Kinda you're gonna wanna scrape this because it gets really thick. Put that in there. The extract, which is vanilla and orange. And then the eggs. Add the salt and baking powder. Okay, so I've mixed all my dry goods, the ginger, the flaxseed, the coconut flour, and the almond flour. And we're gonna put it in here with our wet and mix it together till it's all blended. Okay, so now we're gonna put all the ingredients in the 8x8 buttered, spray buttered, whatever you wanna call it, pan. And you're gonna probably have to move it around because look how thick it is. It's more like, almost like a graham cracker look. Okay, so now that it's all flattened out and evenly spread, you're gonna put it in your oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown, and do the toothpick test to make sure everything's cooked. Okay, while the bars are in the oven making, we're gonna make the frosting. I always do double batch because I just like frosting. But anyway, so I put the cream cheese in here, put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to make it a little bit soft and gummy. I have a cup of confection Swerve, about 8 drops of lemon extract, and 2 tablespoons of butter, softened butter. So we're just gonna throw the butter in there, and the lemon drops, and the Swerve. That off to the side. Take your mixer and mix till it's all incorporated and creamy smooth for icing. Okay, so it's out. I did the toothpick test. Nothing stuck to it, and see the golden brown around the edges and on top. So we're gonna wait about 15 minutes to let it cool a little bit, and then we're gonna take our icing and put some blotches on it and kind of let it get softened up because it'll kind of break apart because it's really flaky, and then it'll get solidified again as it cools down. And then I also have the cranberries, so I'll show you that. Be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I want to warn you. I did the pan to plate flip. It is a little brittly, but it still came out good. If you're not comfortable doing that, don't do it. Leave it in the pan. Okay. So I'm gonna take the frosting and just put blotches everywhere. And remember, I have twice the amount of frosting than what requested, so we're going to have tons of frosting on this. It's going to taste amazing. It's all ice, all the icing's on it. And you're going to take this and you're just going to sprinkle the cranberries on top. Once it's all sprinkled and ready to go, you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so everything can get hard and firm again, and then we can taste it. And here you go. The rip-off recipe for the Keto Cranberry Bliss bars at Starbucks. Okay, now let's give it a try. Light. I like the icing better because it's lighter. It doesn't feel so sweet than the other one. But you guys give it a try. It's really easy to make. See you on the next time, if Jack's still recovering. Bye.